Good morning, folks. Welcome back to the Camper Pod Build. It's a beautiful day today, and the punch list is getting an awful lot shorter. Going to be making a shelving system in the closet here to hold those buckets. I really wish I had bought this very early in the Camper Pod build. This is a Dewalt 90-degree screwdriver. It allows me to get into little tiny spaces right against the wall. You know what happens when you try to screw something in there? Your drill won't get right in flush, so you can't drive it down straight, and then the chuck here spins on the surface and mars it. This here allows me to get practically right into that little distance right there without doing any damage, because it pivots from here. So this is just touching flat against the wall. Neat little product. Task completed. We added some Gorilla Glue grip tape to the ramp here to make it like extra not slippy, if that makes any sense. This stuff is grippy. I can't get my shoe off. GoPro, stop recording. We're going to be adding some trim to those little sections up there using some VHB tape. This is 1.5 inches by 1/8 aluminum. That's going to be stuck up there very shortly. The strips are installed and caulked, and we've also got installed 2 motion detector solar powered exterior lights. We're this close to having her done. Stay tuned.